intel of Class A supply of cannabis supply.
Yeah, noted. WR baseline intelligence. I don't think this pursuit is proportionate at the time. Yeah, I've managed to prevent the vehicle from turning right towards Rockaroo, so we're going up the valley, generally towards Rumney.
So possible we believe this vehicle is involved in supply of drugs, correct?
Yes, yes. And stand by. Crash, crash. Out and running. Where they got on the first one? Cheers, mate. Come here. Come here. Come on. Out. You're under dangerous driving. You don't say anything, main defence mention. One question relay line call. And he's saying making evidence. Yeah, passenger, mate. He's driver. Sit up.
Passenger, mate.
Don't matter, mate. Sit up. I'll just get his details now.
There's also drugs in the car as well, fella.
What drugs? Where?
In the car.
Well, need to get advice about driving as well, boss.
Oh, well, imagine that, mate. That's not cannabis coming off you. But cheers for your honesty.
And crack cocaine.